Alright, so we have some seasoning we're gonna put in the pork. We have carrot, tomato, onion, and piece of thyme. Huh. Alright, so let's dice up with onion. I do go half of this. Can't remember we have onion in there already. But we can make the pot just look like there's no life in it, right? So we're gonna put some onion. I use tomato because I'm not using ketchup. If you're a ketchup lover, you can add a ketchup when we are putting this or putting the seasoning. If not, if you have tomato, you can just cut up that and add it to it. And I will leave people not cook with tomato, you know. Tomato is one vegetable I think could have stay. But I don't know. I always buy it. Or sometimes I eat it with cucumber and salt. And then we do a carrot. It's not the way it's supposed to. I only think till I do. Alright, so we'll just chop up the carrot. I'll put some bean in there also. I'm just gonna set this aside. We have the thyme, but the thyme in the freezer, so I'm gonna make it stay until I'm ready for add it to the pot. Then we take it out. Okay.